Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to make your own Flash token on the ERC20 and ERC20 networks, where you can do both. Okay, so first thing, we need to have to install the Marmix extension. If you don't have that, I have a guide on how to do it on my channel. So I use the minimum amount, which is 0.12 of ETH. This will be enough to generate about 60,000 Flash USD keys. There. So let's get started. You open a Remix page, you create a new file, you call it USD key.sol. Perfect. Then you paste the code you will find in the description. Perfectly, just like this. Then you go to the Solidity compiler page. You select the 0.6.6 version and click compile. Perfect. Then you go to the tab below. Then you select, instead of Remix again, the Wallet Connect. Perfect. You connect your MetaMask wallet here. You select MetaMask. But which works the best? If you use any other wallets, you might have some problems. So you go down below in deploy and you write in the token name string, you write in USD key in caps in my case. Then I, as network, select ERC20, but you can ERC20 but you can use ERC20 if you want. It works exactly the same. Click transact. And then you gotta select the dash number and put it one number higher. So you have 0.4, you need to round it up to 1. So to the nearest integer. Now you click confirm, you await the confirmation. Wait the confirmation to come. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, then we're gonna go to, I'm gonna show you the contract. We'll copy the address. What I paste in the ETH scam, so you can see that this is a real mining pool. So this is not a scam. Just give me a second. Okay, perfect. There you see, this is our contract. We need to top this address up. So you have the address copied. You go into MetaMask. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we send. If you were picking the address, I remind you to have 0.12 ETH. And pen balls for gas. Okay, click continue, confirm, and let's wait till our balance updates in the Remix page now. Oh no, let's wait for it to get first. Okay, spamming. Still this update, still pending. Okay, perfect. The money went to. Let's check if the balance is updated. Okay, the route is already updated. Perfect. So we got like the start button now. Okay, and now you see that we need to put the gas key, then put it to 1 once again. Don't use less than that. Okay, if you have more, round up to a higher number. Click confirm once again. Perfect. Let's wait for the gas key to go now. Okay. Okay, perfect. We can see that our tokens have been generated from the last 2 strings. So you just see here. So we keep withdrawal now. We do the same thing. We round it off. In my case, it's only 1. Okay, now we confirm. Perfect. And now we just need to wait. We just wait. Okay, perfect. Our tokens have been generated and they have been transferred to our wallet. Let's see. Perfect. Now you can enjoy our Flash USD money. Perfect.